In this session, we are going to learn about annotation. So they have four tools of annotation. The first one is text, second one is dimension and linear, both are same, and here leader and table. So we learn about that four tools, and to create that four tools or to use that four tools, you have to learn some different thing also. So let's start. First of all, I will show you about linear. So what is linear actually? Here you are seeing linear, and if you click here, this is actually this option work for dimensioning. Actually, this is the another way of dimensioning any object. So if you click here, then here linear, then aligned, angular. So linear means it will give you a dimension of any point linearly. Okay, it will give you the dimension of linear dimension in x direction or y direction or z direction, like that. Then aligned means it will give us a dimension in aligned direction or with certain angles. Then angular means the angular angle of two intersect. Then here arch length, then radius of a circle, and diameter of a circle. So one by one, let's work with that. So if I go for linear, and first of all, I'll click here, first point, stop the ortho mode, no problem. And I'll click here for second one. And here I'm seeing that the line is 31 feet and 8.9 inch. Now, this is for linear. Again, if I go here for aligned, suppose this is aligned element, and from that point to that point, if I just go here, it will give us a aligned distance. But they have another way to find out that how much distance away this point from this point in x direction or y direction. So if I go here for linear, and if I click here and here, it will not give us any, just see, any aligned distance. It will give us vertical, or if you go here and if you click here and take your mouse here, it will give you horizontal distance, vertical distance. Clear? Again, if you go for angular, then it's telling us select arch, circle, etc. This is our first line and this is our second line. If you click here, second line, okay, maybe they have some issue with that. I'll go for a polyline, then I'll go in x direction, and after closing our ortho mode, I'll go here, then escape. Now if again I go for angular and first line, and this is our second line, and if I click here, just see, here is our angle, 40-degree angle. We are getting 40-degree angle. So in this way, you are able to find out your angle between two lines also. And again, if I just go here, then arches, and if I select that arch, and if I go here, you will find out, or you will see the arch distance 25 feet and 5.1 inch. Again, if I go here for radius, so what is the radius of that circle? If you click here, and you'll be able to show it, 9 feet and 2.7 inch. And also if you want to show the diameter, then simply click here and you'll see the diameter here. So this is the way to show or to find out all of our dimension. Now they have another thing. Suppose you have some multiple line here, Suppose you have multiple line and you need to know the distance of it. Just simply go here and first of all go with linear, and every time we don't go for linear. So what I'll do, I'll go here, dimension, and I'll go for continue, and just simply click anywhere you want, it will give you a dimensioning line in same direction. Okay, so we have used all of dimensioning system. And if you click here, it will automatically create multiple types of a style for you. So if you go here and if you select that, just see it's giving you diameter. Also if you come here, if you click on it, it will give you value like that. If you click here for that inclined, it will give you the inclined value or vertical value. It's depend on. So just see, if you go in that side and if you go here, so it will give you value as per its requirement. And also if you click here, it will give you it's providing us radius, and here just see, so it will select the probable data for you. It will provide the probable data for you. Now we have used all of our dimensioning system, but the text are not showing. So we have to modify that for the perfect work. Already we have learned about that in dimension style, but again we'll go for it.